looking for?
Anything.
I instantly regretted this buy, I'm not gonna lie.
How much are Mickey and Minnie? I usually look for golf clubs. Any golf clubs in there?
I don't have any golf clubs. You can have a free bag of balls.
Those are practice balls.
Oh, are they the practice balls? That's, well, either way.
Oh yeah?
They don't need to be in the garage.
Backyard hitting balls. Don't go anywhere.
How much are your games?
I need the games.
And then these are games too, like, so this is Skylanders.
Skylanders, right?
Yeah, so it's got the game in the stand, and then this Infinity. And I got two different Infinity games, and then the base, and then these are all Infinity characters.
That's a lot.
And discs and stuff. Yeah, but we're just trying to, so I would definitely,
It would be like $25 for all of
I
that.
would definitely do a deal. Like, if you got someone that'd be into it.
The Mickey Mouse one alone, I think is worth.
Yeah, the Mickey Mouse I think is like $20 by himself, but the rest of them aren't. And then these all go with the game as well. These like discs and extra games and stuff like that you can.
We have an only child. He got spoiled.
They're cool. I mean, just as figurines, my kids
They're
would go.
fun,
They would
yeah.
go nuts.
Yeah, they're
25 bucks?
Yeah, for the whole set. Yeah.
Sure.
I'll take them.
So have you ever had an instant feeling of regret? I pretty much did as soon as I said I'll take them. And then it got worse during the 10 minutes that it took us to load all of these figures into an IKEA bag. An IKEA bag which weighs like 30 pounds now. Seriously, it weighs that much. I instantly regretted this buy. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna take a lot of work, and I thought maybe I could lot them up and get my money back and make some, and I don't know, but then I brought them home and did a little research and put Disney Infinity in eBay and searched by highest price sold, and there's like a Peter Pan that sells for $200 or $300, and like a Disney power-up coin that sells for a couple hundred, and there's a Skylander that sells for $500 or $600. There's some crazy stuff. I don't know whether I actually have any of that. I'm gonna take a look at it, do some research, go through this giant bag of stuff, and I'll let you know at the end of this video what I think I'm actually gonna make on this stuff. We'll see. I don't know yet.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Tired.
Things are a lot of work, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
And you gotta hope you sell everything so you don't have to haul it back in.
Half of it goes unhappy.
I hear you.
So let's get started.
I understand.
So this is a bolo if it had the shoulder strap. I still may get it anyway for $4. Pretty good condition. It's a locker bag by OGO.
Swing jacket. I haven't seen one of those in forever.
So you tried one?
No, I just said I haven't seen one in forever.
Oh.
I'm gonna grab yours, so I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
You don't have any clubs to go with it?
Um,
What you getting rid of?
well, I might, but what are you looking for?
Anything.
Okay, maybe not anything. Not what you're looking for?
Probably not.
I definitely should have picked up the OGO bag. They look like they've gone up in value. I used to sell them for like 20 or 30 bucks. Now it looks like it's selling for 40, 50, even 60 plus shipping. I did pick up the swing jacket for $4. That's a golf training aid. Kind of a weird one if you ask me.
Only the swing jacket teaches your body the whole swing at once, automatically. Nothing could be easier, faster, or longer lasting. You just slip it on and let the swing jacket guide you to the best golf of your life.
But I said that,
Swing jacket. I haven't seen one of those in forever.
but honestly, I actually have seen one kind of recently, like last year at the same sale. Check this out. I'm thinking the swing jacket's not worth anything, so I had to walk away. I was wrong. That swing jacket sells for 70 or 80 bucks and it sells almost instantly. But at least maybe I learned my lesson and got it this time, and I'm gonna make a couple dollars on it. So pretty cool.
Morning, how are you? Oh, hanging in there. How much are Mickey and Minnie?
10 each.
10 each. Those are way cool.
I love them, but
You gotta have room to store them until Christmas.
well, we're
That's our
moving.
problem. Oh, are you?
Yeah, and we only get a certain amount of weight that the Army pays for.
Oh,
So
we did a government relocation not long ago, and yeah, I feel you. I feel
like
you.
the things we need to get rid of.
Right.
Those are cool boots.
Not getting rid of any golf clubs.
No, but I want to say my husband has fishing poles he was a really good
Oh, really?
part with, and then we have a water filtration slash softener and alkaline system we're getting rid of. But it's heavy, and I wasn't moving it out in case anybody wanted it.
I understand. Those are cool.
And we're willing to make deals. Nothing is it's our best offer.
What's your bottom dollar on Mickey and Minnie?
15 for both, or for together.
I'll take it.
Okay.
I've never seen Anderson on a bat before, so when I saw him, I was kind of curious. I looked them up on eBay, not these specific bats, but just Anderson bats in general, and they are all over the place, anywhere from 20 to hundreds. But I paid $10 for these two along with a tennis racket, got home, did the research. Looks like this fast pitch softball bat sells for like 20 or 30. And this one, which is also a fast pitch softball bat, the last sold comp was actually $129, so not a bad pickup. And then the Mickey and Minnie blow molds, they're actually not vintage. The jury's still kind of out on those. There weren't very many listed, and I could only find one that is sold, and it was just Mickey, sold for 80 bucks plus shipping. But honestly, we may end up keeping those for our Christmas display this year.
You guys been busy?
What's that? Yep, Yep. Bets. Which tent? Oh, the big tent? Okay, so that's,
So the buy that I instantly regretted, how do you guys think I did? Well, let's see. So along with the help of my resident Disney expert, we've kind of got everything broken down into the movies or TV shows that the characters are in. Like here's Alice in Wonderland, Inside Out, and incidentally, those actually sell really well. There's really good comps on those. Even on the Aladdin set, there's some pretty good comps. And then we've got the Star Wars set over here. I'm actually going to sell all of those as one lot. The Marvel guys, I'm going to sell all of those as one lot, I do believe, even though the Captain America with this thing actually sells for like 20. So I think I'm going to do pretty well on the Infinity stuff. On the Skylanders stuff, I know I'm going to do well. This guy sells for like 20. This guy sells consistently for $39.99. This guy sells for 20 or 30. And then this starter pack here is what they call this, sells for like 60. So add all that up, I think I've got a couple $100 worth of stuff here. Yeah, it's definitely going to be some work, but also an easy way to look these up. There's actually numbers on the bottom. Makes it pretty simple. There's an INF number there. You put that into eBay, it'll pop right up. And then on these Skylanders, the same thing. There's actually a model number on the bottom. Right there, it's the model number. So yeah, pretty easy to look up. Gonna take some time, but I think I'm gonna do pretty well. Let me know, would you have bought this stuff? It's definitely gonna be a lot of work, but I think there's some profit there. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you would have done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.